Good morning, children. Children, we are studying lesson 1, the Royal Parade, part 3. Okay. Earlier we have studied that there is a girl and her friend, elephant calf. Okay. They have close bonding. They are too friendly. Okay. Then here Jaya's father was the chief of the tribe, and he has taken some herbal medicine and went to meet the king of Mysuru. So after returning, he was describing about the Mysore and the event that was going to organized by the king. So Jaya also wished to go and see the Mysore Dasera and requested her father to see Mysore Dasera, but his father refused to take her. He told that she is too small to go to see Mysore Dasera. He will take his brother this year. So unhappily, she darted to meet her friend Deva, and there she buried her face in his trunk, sobbing, and told him that she too wanted to see the Dasera parade. So we will move to the next paragraph. I will read it out. So please go through it. Deva wrapped his trunk around Jaya and lifted her. Placing her gently on his back, he began to run towards the open field. Jaya knew this was not safe for Deva. "Stop, Deva," she yelled. But Deva burst out of the trees and ran across the field. Jaya was shocked to see that the field was teeming with people and elephants. Deva turned back. Jaya pulled his ears, but Deva was no mood to listen. He finally stopped in front of a chariot. So what happened, children? When Deva saw Jaya sobbing, crying, what did he do? He wrapped his trunk around Jaya and lifted her and ran towards the open field. So as Deva was running towards the open field, Jaya knew that this was not safe for Deva. So she shouted, "Deva, stop!" She shouted to stop Deva. Jaya was shocked to see that the field was teeming. Teeming means full of people and animals. Bhara hua, with people and elephants. Okay, but Deva was no mood to listen. He finally stopped in front of a chariot. Chariot means a carriage used for transport in olden times. Means rath. Okay, children, move to the next paragraph. "This is very majestic elephant calf," said a finely dressed young woman in the chariot. Jaya soon learned that people had come from Mysore palace to select elephants for the Jambu Savari, the elephant parade at the Dasera. "Turn back, Deva," Jaya fearfully shouted into Deva's large ears. Deva shook his head. He took one step forward. "Little miss," said the woman in a happy voice to Jaya, "can your Deva come for the royal parade?" Jaya was very scared for Deva. "No," she shouted boldly. "He belongs here in the forest." So what happened, children? On the chariot there was a young woman who told to Deva that he was very majestic, grand. Majestic means grand, tejasvi, tej se bhara hua, majestic elephant calf. Okay, so hearing this, Jaya got scared that the people are here to select elephants for the Jambu Savari. If they select his friend Deva, so she was pulling his ears to turn back. But Deva was in no mood to listen. Deva shook his head. He took one step forward. The woman said, "Can your Deva come for the royal parade?" So listening this, Jaya was so scared. So she said, "No, he belongs to here in the forest." So children, move to the next paragraph. "Of course, he will return to the forest after the parade. I promise," The woman's voice was reassuring. Jaya felt Deva was in safe hands. Also, she was so proud for her Deva. But Deva won't have any friend in Mysuru, said Jaya after some thought. Surely he will have you. I can see how close you both are. In fact, you can teach him the royal march. Me? Wondered little Jaya. Yes, why don't you bring someone along? You are too young to take care of yourself, smiled the woman. Okay, children, what happened? The woman reassured her. Reassured means ashwasan deti hai, and told both Jaya and Deva to join the royal parade, and told her even she can teach him the royal march. She can bring someone along to the royal parade. Okay, children? Okay, children, move to the next paragraph. Can I bring 3 someones? Asked Jaya playfully. Definitely, and tell them they are the guests of the king of Mysuru. That's how Jaya went to see the lights and the fireworks of the great Dasara festival in Mysuru with her brother and parents. The graceful dancers, the smart soldiers, the brilliant band, the brightly decorated elephants, camels, and horses were all very fascinating. But Deva was the most elegant of all, and it was for Deva that Jaya and her brother cheered the loudest. Okay, children, what happened? Hearing the offer given by the women, what happened? Jaya felt very happy and told playfully to the woman that if she can bring 3 more persons. So the woman agreed, and she invited her to the Mysore palace as a king's guest. So that's how Jaya wish came true, and she went to see lights and the fireworks of the great Dasara festival in Mysuru with her brother and parents. There she saw dancers, soldiers, brilliant band, brightly decorated elephants, camels, and horses. But for Jaya, Deva was most attractive. Attractive means akarshak. And she and her brother cheered. She had been protsahit karna for him. She and her brother cheered for him. Okay, children? Hope you understood this lesson. Okay, children? Bye.